ModuleWorks is a software company for the manufacturing industry. And today I would like to talk about why CAD companies are one of the heroes of manufacturing. In the past, 2D hand-drafted drawings have been used to program parts for manufacturing on CNC machines. And this required skills of entering coordinates of data. And the arrival of 3D CAD allowed CAM systems to evolve and provide a huge improvement in the workflow and in the efficiency of programming the parts. So that helped the people to produce more parts in shorter cycles. But at the same time, manufacturing processes evolved. We have additive manufacturing. We have capabilities of repairing parts. All these new evolvements in the manufacturing caused needs in the CAD. And I'm very happy and excited to see that the CAD vendors have been keeping up with the process innovations in the manufacturing so well that they are now supporting all kinds of different processes, starting from solid modeling, NURBS modeling, to scan data, from additive to metalworking and classical cutting. So that's the reason why CAD software vendors are one of the heroes of manufacturing. Thank you very much.